Unlock your iPhone like a pro. First thing, you can unlock your iCloud device like a password, email address. Other thing, I think iPhone is very security purpose reason, but iPhone is very hardly. But I think first thing, iPhone is very security purpose device and iPhone lock, but how to unlock your iPhone like iCloud, other password. So first thing, open your email ID to other phone and choose your Gmail ID, but not recover your Gmail ID. Second thing, using your iCloud to EMI number your iPhone, open your Chrome browser and using AI to how to recover iPhone iCloud, so you can search results like down and you thinking like how to recover your address like iPhone is not recovery. Second thing, hard reset your iPhone using computer. Search your Chrome browser to how to recover a password your iPhone. So second thing, opening your iPhone. Do not touch and do not disturb. So iPhone is unlocked. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.